Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. I am once again back with a webinar, and this time the topic is very interesting. It will give you a free hack to use a costly charting platform absolutely free of cost. So today's webinar topic is how to get free TradingView charts in Zerodha Kite, and that is a trick for 2019. And believe me, once I explain the webinar, you will understand that this is a real trick that you did not know. So before starting the webinar, once again a short intro of mine. I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded stockmaniacs.net, so you can visit my site at stockmaniacs.net. This is my site. We do write on various trading articles, and we try to provide you insights on IPOs, trading systems, different brokers, reviews. So you can visit my site, you can bookmark it. The link is www.stockmaniacs.net. So friends, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and nowadays you will not get updates for the new videos. So after the subscribing, you must hit the bell icon so that you can get the new video updates instantly. And also you can join my trading team. I do provide various facilities to the members who are trading under me, who have opened trading and demat accounts under me. So for that, you can WhatsApp your name, phone number and email ID and send it to my WhatsApp number +91 96743 21856. So I'll repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So friends, let's start the webinar. So how to get free TradingView charts in Zerodha Kite. So friends, before I describe how to get free TradingView charts on Zerodha Kite, let me explain what is TradingView. So TradingView is a world-renowned charting platform. So they build charting platform, and many companies use their charting platform. So it is a worldwide renowned charting platform. So suppose this is investing.com. So investing.com also uses the TradingView, same TradingView platform. So most of the foreign institutions, they use the TradingView platform. So this platform is widely used and have almost all advanced indicators. I am assuming that you are already having Zerodha Kite with you. If you do not have Zerodha Kite, please remember this link. This link, bit.ly/join Zerodha, JOINZERODHA. So bit.ly/join Zerodha. Do not worry if you cannot remember this link also. I will give you the link in the video description. So you can hit the link and you can get Zerodha Kite. Nowadays the Zerodha account can be opened almost instantly. So you can immediately access your Zerodha Kite without wasting any further time. Let me copy this link, and now let me go to a browser window. Let us paste this link, bit.ly/join Zerodha. Hit enter, and it will take you to the Zerodha account opening page. So you can put your full name, your mobile number and email ID, and you can continue to sign up. You can open your account almost instantly. Once your ID is generated, you will get a mail and you can start using Zerodha Kite. Now once you have Zerodha Kite with you, this is the basic charts that Kite gives actually. This is the basic chart that Kite gives. This chart is maintained by ChartIQ. So if you log into Zerodha Kite, you will get this kind of charts. I am using also an indicator, super trend indicator, and this is Nifty 50 15 minutes chart in Zerodha Kite. Now let me see how we can get the trading view charts in Zerodha Kite. So this is the username. Click on the username, you will get my profile section. So click on the my profile section. Once you click that, come to below of the page. Here is the charting preferences. So the charts preferences, by default it will be chart IQ. Let us click on trading view. So once we select trading view, if you open another chart, you will get trading view charts only. So let me check. So now this is Nifty March future chart. Click on the chart and see the trading view charts have opened. This is a daily chart. Let me come to the 15 minutes chart or any kind of intraday charts. So see, this is the same trading view charts you are seeing here. If you launch a chart, you can see the same charts, same Nifty chart you are seeing in your Zerodha Kite. So there are n number of indicators. You can see all the advanced indicators are there. So you can start using all the advanced indicators. So let me add an indicator and show you. Suppose we will be adding super trend here. So super trend I am adding. You can see super trend is added automatically in the Nifty future 15 minutes chart. You can create your own templates. You can compare between symbols. You can open multiple charts, 2 charts, 3 charts, 4 charts, 6 charts, even 8 charts. So that is the power of trading view. Almost all advanced indicators are already there. You can get advanced candlestick types like bars, candles, hollow candles, Heikenashi, line, area, baseline, Renko, line break, Kagi, point and figure. Believe me friend, this is the best charting platform that I have seen. So you can save your templates. Everything can be done. You can start using this trading view chart immediately. If you do not have Zerodha Kite, remember to copy this link bit.ly/join-zerodha. Just copy this link and save it to paste it to a browser. You can be redirected to the Zerodha account opening page. You can open your account by putting your full name, mobile number, email ID, and you can open the account online if your Aadhaar card is linked to your mobile phone. So you can open the account instantly and you can start using this TradingView platform. So friends, I have already completed the topic of the webinar. I'll come down to more interesting topics in the near future. I'll cover the TradingView platform in details on the Zerodha Kite platform. So if you have any comments, you can comment in the below of the video. The comment section is open. I'll try to answer your comments, and any kind of help you require from my side, I'll be ready to help you. If you want to join my trading team, do WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. And my dear friend, if you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before leaving the webinar. And once you subscribe to the YouTube channel, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my next video updates almost instantly. So thanks a lot friends for watching this webinar. I'll be coming down with some more interesting topics in the near future. Till then, wish you loads of luck. Happy trading. Bye bye.